Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be making a pan-seared sweet chili jerk salmon. This recipe is packed with tons of flavor. It's tasty, juicy, and delicious, guys. Stay tuned. Let's start off by seasoning our salmon. We're going to add just a drizzle of olive oil. This will allow our seasoning to stick and soak right through the salmon. Just apply the olive oil on both sides. Now I'm just going to add a teaspoon of dry rub jerk seasoning. Only a teaspoon, because the jerk seasoning, the wet paste, is already a little bit salty, so you don't want to add too much extra seasoning to the salmon. Flip it over, and we're going to repeat the same steps for the second side. Now I'm just going to add my wet paste jerk seasoning. Just rub it on both sides again. Smelling good, guys. Smelling real good. Add 1 stick of butter to our skillet. After the butter is fully melted, then we'll go ahead and add our salmon to the skillet. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and add our salmon. And I'm just going to cook my salmon for about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it over and do the same thing again. So 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And my stove is at medium heat. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and flip my salmon. Alright guys, so I'm just going to let it cook for at least 2 more minutes. Then I'll add our sweet chili sauce along with some cilantro. Alright, so we're just going to add our sweet chili sauce. And we're just going to save a little bit for later. Add our cilantro. Oh my God, it's smelling so good, guys. Really good.